Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 7th, 2016, and today is Thursday morning. So looking at the economic calendar today, we've got a bunch of numbers coming out starting at 2:30 p.m. South African time. USD number, it's weekly unemployment numbers coming out. And then tentatively during the afternoon, we have President Draghi will be speaking, who's the ECB president, European Central Bank president. So that should affect the EU and the euro, so we'll see how that actually unfolds. Euro got a little bit stronger yesterday and traded above this 114 level we were discussing, and we'll look at that just a moment. And then we have Vice Chairman Yellen will be speaking, who's the Central Bank of the United States chairman. And that's going to be at 11:30 p.m. So looking at the EURUSD, let's jump into the EURUSD. We're looking at a weekly number here, and as you can see, we look like we want to take it above here. You know, we're just above this 114-ish level, but I'd like to see some conviction. Okay, we've tried it a bunch of times. We even traded as high as 117 back last August, but we'd like to see some sort of momentum here on the upside to make up. Okay, as you know, 2 years ago we were trading at 139. Okay, so let's see if this actually does maintain its momentum on the outside and see how it unfolds. So I'm not convinced yet that we're on an upside until we really trade within that range and really solidify on the upside. So looking at the Dow Jones here, on a weekly chart, it looks like we're down, but actually we've covered some ground here, as you can see. Altogether, we had a sell-off, and then we were making back some ground on the upside. So yesterday was a big day for the Dow Jones, a nice up day. And let's see if we can maintain this momentum. Okay, so a lot of things unfolding as we enter the second quarter, the beginning of the second quarter of the year. Looking at the GBP Japanese yen. Okay, this is like catching a falling knife, and if you could catch it on the downside and trade it on the downside, you know, you can make lots of money trading the GBP Japanese yen. Just realize that it's a very volatile symbol right now, and it is trading making very big moves, and as such, you know, if you're on the wrong side, obviously you can get hurt. So just make sure to be on the right side, and the right side right now is to be selling it. I mean, to chase it all the way down at this 153 level may have missed the move, but every time you think that you've missed the move, it keeps on going down and going down and going down. And we're looking just at a 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart, and you see that it just continuously is going down. So we breached this 158 level just yesterday, and we're 2 days ago, and we're just now continuously selling off. So it's really hard to catch it, because, you know, every time you say, oh, I'm chasing it a little bit, and then, you know, it continues to go down even further, and then you chase a little bit more, and then you say, well, it's a little bit too late, I'm afraid it's going to bounce, and then it continues to go lower. So the only way to really trade this is to really trade it small, and to make sure that you've got some sort of buffer and some sort of profit already in the trade, so that you're not overexposing yourself on potentially when it does go, or potentially goes against your way. So that's what I would, you know, that's my tactic with the GBP Japanese yen. The GBP USD, not as weak. As you can see here, we're just trading at our support level here at 141. But it's been known to play catch-up. So let's see if it does catch up to the GBP Japanese yen and continues to trade down further. Okay, looking at oil here, oil trading at 38-ish level right here. You know, making back its losses earlier this week from trading at 36-ish level, 35-ish level. And, you know, as such, we did mention this, that we had a support level here at 34, 35-ish level right here, and duly we bounced off of it. So I see ourselves really trading within this range, you know, between 34-ish, 30, 40-ish level. I don't see us, you know, bouncing to $60 right away, but keep an eye on it. Okay, it does have some volatility, and earlier this week we did see some nice moves. Looking at the gold, gold looks like it's setting up for a wedge formation. Okay, either on the upside or the downside. It looks like right here we've got a little bit of a wedge formation coming together, as you can see that. The question is are we going to go down or are we going to go up? So keep an eye on this. You know, 12.15 is a major support level for it. And then at 11.78, I'm bullish overall, okay, on gold, but I would like to pick it up at a better number than 12.15-ish level. I'd like to see it get back down to 11.80-ish level before, you know, jumping into it on the long side. However, you know, there's still opportunities on the short side. If it does breach this 12.15, you know, can hit maybe 11.90, 11.80-ish level. Ideally, I'd like to buy it at 11.80 if it does hit that level on the long term, meaning, you know, looking at a horizon of 6 to 12 months. This is Fred Razak at CMTrading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.